Hey, nah, how you get this
look
out
out.
there?
Look out. You ain't winning.
Bro, you think I'm
I told you it was a 2 for 1.
It's a 2-for-1 deal. You got 2 breads, bro. Alright. Take 2, man. Make it, you know.
See, that's how, see, he said he couldn't eat 2. Now, you know you used to eat waiting. Come on, man. Look. Look at that. He said he couldn't eat 2. Look at that. You need a drink?
Now, there's that good kind of salt, man.
See? Look how racing can never say.
What was the ox, right? Ox fallopian tube?
Audio cat.
I ain't had no
Black Battle Cat.
Who went in the store and bought? What's the name of your channel, man?
Cat. This is Black Battle Cat. Look at it.
What's better hurry up, take your
Look
channel
at his
back.
hand. Look at his hand. Look.
Y'all
Hey, ain't no cheat. Look at that.
Yeah, these some good. What an extra
Hey,
barbecue
somebody said
sauce.
put some mustard on it, man.
Nah, I like barbecue sauce. What that sauce at that's
Sauce
on it? I tasted it. I just wanted a little more.
Look.
Oh, yeah?
Look, he done already ate half of it. They say, boy, hungry.
I need this shit now. My stomach was requesting. All right, crap.
Look how skinny look at him. Let me turn sideways. Look, his stomach rubbing his back. See? Look at him.
They stand behind one of these tent poles.
Yeah.
Yo, and I told him that's ox fallopian tube. You think I'm joking around, but that shit good as hell, bro.
What? Hey, look. For somebody that only wanted one, look how he look.
They slim days.
Thank you, man.
Somebody say that. Boy, the intimidator right there. He made them. So talk to us. What that tastes like? They know they good. Look, he got barbecue sauce on his fingers. Look at that. You know it's good.
Yeah.
He dropped his napkin. Look out, we got more napkins. You ain't got more napkins.
I'll be recycling.
Somebody said that boy
These them good ones.
cereal.
These some good ones right here, y'all.
Hey, yeah, we got to take care of Look Out. He hungry. Look here, I'm making a video. Feed a kid right now for 8 cents a day.
That's all it costs. It went up to 13 cents. You gotta wait till gas go back down.
You talk about when I do my intro.
These good.
Oh, these cars are down. Okay, listen.
Dang.
I understand. But I'd rather deal with the cars being down than
That's Edward, what's that, Barnes? He said he wish he could get some. Come to the motorplex. We got plenty.
Damn, man.
Not to make y'all.
You want something to eat? You didn't get no hot links? Oh, you been bougie. Y'all don't eat hot links in Jersey?
That's the way it's supposed to be. You got it. You got it. So you
Now I
get
need
it.
to put
You been bougie?
Tell me live.
Y'all don't eat hot links in Jersey?
right here.
Y'all don't eat hot links in
Well, that's
Jersey?
it right here.
You been bougie? Look, he got a link and a Pepsi. Look at that. See? That is a black man's meal right there. Look at that.
That's it right there. Yeah.
Man, you ain't been over here to get nothing to eat?
Wash my hands.
Pepsi didn't change they taste. See, they
Oh,
they
now
kind of
he-
left it
look,
like it
look,
used to
look,
be.
He making commercials now. If you don't get your Michael Jackson, look.
Pepsi ain't changed the taste, y'all. All these other companies that put too much high fructose corn syrup in it, trying to replace the sugar, and it don't taste right no more, man.
Somebody say, and a drink, you got hooked up.
Yeah. Let me see. They got high fructose too, but I guess they didn't put that much.
that in Yello Belly.
No, they don't treat him that good at Yello Belly.
Hell nah. Hold on, y'all. Let me
Hey,
get
Andy
this.
said they wouldn't pay him on YouTube, so we gotta make sure he eat.
This one just as good.
See?
Oh yeah, I'm ready now. Oh yeah. How you want to do it?
Look out.
Wait.
You solid for that, bro.
Yeah, man.
Way
They
to
out
look
here.
out for Lookout. You solid for that. Hey, we gotta take
Man.
care of it. Somebody said Coke, no Pepsi.
No.
How much are your toes?
Coca-Cola been. Nah, they been playing. Something ain't been right with them.
Wait a minute. They said Coke, no pets. Hold on. Let me slide over here.
Yeah, they got Coke
Open
now?
that up. We don't discriminate. Look,
They got
we don't
it all.
discriminate. We got it all. So we ain't gonna
I
discriminate.
just wanted to see something. I see they had all them Pepsis. Wasn't nobody drinking them. So I said, let me see what them things hit like. It's still good.
Matt, I'm ready to roll.
I'm ready
Look
to roll.
out. You know what? You ain't never met them guys right there, huh?
Who was them?
That's the team of Jack Fab right there. So anybody that got some Mopars and want to make them cars go fast, that's where we go. That's the team of Jack Fab right there.
They tune and everything.
Yeah.
One-stop shop.
You ready?
Okay.
Good.
They said they ready. Hey, I so appreciate it, man. Boy, it's good. I was just saying I was hungry, and now I ain't. Let's see what they doing over here. I so appreciate y'all.
I went to work today.
Oh, that's audio okay.
Okay, I'll just go home and check up on the house.
Oh, there goes the terminology. Just got through cooling the engine down, guys, with 10 pounds of ice. Yeah, he's selling them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, tell him look out, sent you. Man, I made him pull out his wallet for real. That was funny. Hey. Oh, they finna clean this track again. I ain't even been doing.